Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing gaming project by Floki. Floki is a global brand with global marketing, and they will be everywhere very soon. They have launched the hottest play-to-earn project in crypto, Valhalla. Alpha Battle Arena portion of the game is now available to the public. This means now anyone who wants to can enjoy this exciting portion of the game and support the development of Valhalla through reporting bugs and giving feedback to the Valhalla team. The Valhalla Battle Arena features strategic, turn-based combat and an addictive leveling system sure to attract new and seasoned gamers for years to come. Previously, they have done some London campaigns, where they have done some incredible stuff like TV ads, 8 global football clubs, F1 racing with Alfa Romeo, and much more, as you can also see on the screen right now. If you are interested, you must be thinking, how do I play? To play Valhalla, follow these simple steps. Number 1. Add the MetaMask browser extension. A new wallet to test is advised. Number 2. Add the Optimism Gorilla testnet to your wallet. Also take help from link given in description. Number 3. Go to Faucet to Paradigm Decides to claim test tokens to play the alpha. Log in with your Twitter account. Your Twitter account must have at least 1 tweet, 15 followers, and be older than 1 month. After claiming tokens, an error may appear. The tokens will still be added to your wallet, and this should be a temporarily visual bug. 4. Make sure to switch to the Optimism Gorilla testnet in MetaMask. Once you're done following the steps above, go to Valhalla game and hit play. If you are still unclear about the process, watch the tutorial video. Link in the description. If you need support, find us on our official Telegram. Valhalla is regularly featured and discussed on our official Twitch stream. All the links are given in the description below. This update also revealed a new playable Vera, the enigmatic and powerful Hushroom. These are the magical creatures within the game that players are going to be able to encounter in the open world. They will be able to battle them, or possibly tame them to keep as companions on journeys. Each Vera is an NFT that is upgradable as well. Here's a few minutes of gameplay on your screen to make you feel excited.
This amazing scene continues, but that's something for you to explore further. Let's see how this works. Alright, so yes, W is walking forwards, A is walking to the left, and D is walking to the right, S is walking backwards. And moving your mouse changes the point of view. Interesting. Ooh, hitting.
The Valhalla team's main objective here is this first version of the open world is setting the framework for what the game will eventually be in the future. The developers are allowing users to explore and get used to the game mechanics, while continued updates will be provided to make the game what it is meant to be. So if you are interested, make sure to check their website link given in the description below.